Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a great evening. I know it's dark, it's a Friday night, just got off work and trying to get prepared for my vacation. I'm leaving in the morning to go away for about a week. So this video is probably going to be a week or two old from the actual time you're watching it and when it was filmed. So this is kind of life right now for me. I'm super busy. I'm very thankful to God's been blessing me like crazy with my local company and my online business. Just it's absolutely been remarkable. And sometimes you just have to do things when you can get them done, right? And like I said, we're leaving in the morning for vacation, and I've been wide open all day long. I absolutely wanted to get this test done before I left, hands down. I was going to do it no matter what. So what we did is we started another Love Your Neighbor. You know, over here on that side of me, we kind of have been managing her yard for 2 years and took it from crap to something that looks pretty good. And now I'm helping my neighbor on the other side, okay? His yard was in a little bit better condition than over here. When they built this home years ago, the front yard was all sod, so he's got a good stand of grass, had a lot of crabgrass and all that's come up in it, and some Dallas grass. You know, we killed that with the little foam applicator, and then he's got some other type wild grasses along the road we've been working on. Crabgrass, Lespedeza, nutsedge. He has a plethora over there. I wouldn't quite call it a salad patch because he does have a lot of good fescue mixed in. Something else he was dealing with was Rhizoctonia salona, a lot of brown patch fungus over there. He gets it every year, never does anything about it. I just want to help him out. And obviously give me a chance to make some more videos on some things like this, because I don't deal with any of that stuff in my yard because I manage mine very aggressively, I guess would be a good word for it. So what I'm going to do tonight, what I'm going to do tonight, it's in the dark. I'm going to spray in the dark. Now I do have a little light over there. He's going to cut his front porch lights on, and then going to cut the garage lights on. So I can see the front yard very well. So I'm not going to do anything that's going to damage anything over there. If I was, I wouldn't do it. But the yard is lit up. Once all those lights are on, I can see what I'm doing very well. I'm going to go over and spray it. And sorry, can't show you the spraying part because I'm spraying it with the Spray Buddy, GCI Spray Buddy, and I'm waiting on the patent to come back. It's at the patent office, in the U.S. patent office right now. When it comes, believe me, you'll be the first to know about it, and it's going to change the game for the DIY guy. Totally, completely brand new ball game. All right, so there you go. Just got done spraying it, and went well. And I know some of you beginners, or heck, maybe some of you seasoned guys, I can't say that I don't ever get nervous when I spray a herbicide, especially a new one that maybe I'm not familiar with. This wasn't a new herbicide. This was a new way of spraying it. And so obviously and naturally, I'm a little bit nervous, to be honest with you. And I know some of you beginners get nervous about spraying herbicides and things like that. Look, listen to me. That's why folks like me that have been doing it for a long time, these other folks on YouTube that are helping you guys kind of overcome them fears. You know, Alan down there in Florida, he does a lot of spraying. He's really good at what he does. There's several others out there, and they all seem to be pretty competent and know what they're doing. So that's why we're here, is to help. Okay, that's what we're doing. When you get something of mine, like the nozzle assembly and the Strom, you always get like a video download and a little guide download that walks you through step by step, and it's to help you understand how spraying works and how to kind of help you to kind of overcome some of them fears you got, because I'm literally trying to hold your hand right through there to help you get over that hurdle, if that makes any sense. I've gotten hundreds of emails. I cannot tell you how many emails I've gotten about first time folks, never sprayed anything in their life, never had no experience whatsoever. And they got my nozzle assembly in the Strom, or back in the day they got the Sprayers Plus when we had that. And most of the emails kind of go like, look man, appreciate it. You really helped me overcome that fear and helped me understand calibration and spraying and all that. And now they're almost like a seasoned veteran. They're out there spraying their yard every month or every 2 months or whatever it is, and with no fear. And that's a big deal to me, a really big deal. But at the end of the day, I want you to know that if you get a little bit of that butterfly in your stomach and get a little bit nervous, understand that it is completely natural. Because, like I said, I've been doing this a long time, and just now I had those butterflies in my stomach. I'm confident in what I put together is going to work exceptionally well, but I'm also got that little bit of nerves because of the unknown, right? First time ever doing it like this on my neighbor's yard. Of course, I've got the experience that I had using it in the past, but with herbicides, this is the first time I've ever done it. First time. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna bring you out here in the morning when I wake up and show you a little quick video clip of what it looks like before, and then when I come back from vacation, I'll finish this video up, so showing you the whole process of this right here. And I'm kind of excited. I ain't so excited I can't go to sleep tonight. I'm gonna sleep good because I'm tired, but I'm excited to see how this turns out. So get you some rest tonight, and I'll see you in the morning. You can see all my discoloration right here. That was from the Pylex and Drive application before. You can see crabgrass, definitely discoloration for sure. Brown patch completely gone. Here we are on week number 3. It's been mowed 2 times since I applied the fungicide. Brown patch completely gone. We have got a little bit of rain recently. Obviously that's helping this entire process. You know, when you get ready to go on vacation, everything just kind of happens. My yard is knee deep to a giraffe. I'm gonna mow it really quickly, and then we can get on the road finally. It's always something, right? All right, well there you go, a little quick double cut. I'm gonna wrap it up, get in the van and burn the road up, and we'll look at the yard when we get back. Well, not mine, but the one over there, and that'll be 6 days, I believe. So we should have some decent results by then. See you in a little bit. How you doing? Morning. Yeah, that's really what I look like when I take my shirt off. Golly. This is the worst part about the beach. All the daggone sand. Man, I hate sand between my toes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I didn't ever think I'd show you my feet on the video, but here we go. Quicker I can get that sand off, the better.
Can you come move this bag of food so I can get out?
Huh?
Can you come move this bag of food so I can get out?
Yes. We brought a little sand back. All right, so first impression when I get back from vacation, it is, holy cow, it is some kind of thick. Look at that. Your daggone hand gets buried down in there. So I'll mow this tomorrow. Really don't have time to mess with it tonight. We're going to load the van. What I'm most concerned with is next door. Holy cow, look at that. Look at that control on that Lespedeza right there. Look at there. That is what I call toast biting the dust. You can see that crab down in there. Really starting to check out. That's good. You see the color of the fescue in here is really, now this is a neighbor's yard, not mine. The color's really starting to take shape. But man, look at that. Lespedeza is getting up out of here. Oh boy, I'm telling you, boy, I'm excited now. Now I picked this up at the beach, grass soda, mowed and bottled in the USA. We'll do a first time taste test right here. It actually smells like grass. Oh snap. Yeah, it tastes like grass too.
I'll try.
Taste test. It's kind of rough, ain't it?
It tastes like lemon lime.
Lemon lime?
Yeah.
Tastes like Kentucky bluegrass. It don't have a fescue.
Oh
That's nasty, ain't it?
Horrible. Oh.
So the grass soda's a no-go. I'll stick to Sundrop. That's nasty. Dang kids sitting there watching me. I can't do it, miss. I can't do this when they watching. Close the blinds, you goofball. Super pleased with the way this Spray Buddy's working. Holy cow. Fried the Lespedeza. Cannot wait to show you this. I'm telling you, it's game changer for DIY. There's nothing anywhere remotely close to it. 100% my design, my invention, or whatever you want to call it. And I am stoked about it. I'm telling you, I'm really pumped up about it. In the description, there's a link. It's going to send you to a new website. Okay, GCISpraybuddy.com or spraylikeapro.com. Takes you to the same place. You'll open it up. You put your email in. It's a new email list I'm starting strictly for the Spray Buddy, so that when it's ready to go, it's ready to rock and roll, you'll be the first one to know about it. So make sure you get on that email list so you don't miss out. I'm telling you, it's game changer. Look at the difference in that color in that yard right there. Look at the weed control. I've been gone for 6 days. And in 6 days, we got that type of a kill on Lespedeza. This is absolute game changer. I think I'm more excited about this right now than I was when my grass seed come out. I like what I see. Really do like what I see. And like I said earlier, I will be testing this on I got some other yards around here that are going to let me test it out on and kind of do some trial runs on it, with some different type herbicides and things like that, going after different weeds. I want to make sure this thing is an all-encompassing product, meaning it can take care of multiple things for different people in different situations, not just one dead set situation, because it wouldn't be all that great of a product then, would it? Say, I appreciate you watching. Again, I'm pumped up about this thing, This is going to be game changer for DIY. I'm telling you, game changer. So like, subscribe, and share, and tell all your buddies about the game changer, and I'll check you later.